Good morning. I'm going to show you my video on the homemade chowder which is served in homemade sourdough bread bowls that my husband made. And you can see his sourdough bread recipes on this channel. This recipe in particular, he made these breads in two 6-ounce size bread pans that were circular, so you can make a bowl shape. So I'm posting the ingredients in the video, but I want to instruct you just briefly on what I'm doing. As you watch the video, you see me melt the butter in a small saucepan first, and then I'll add the shallots. You can use yellow, white onions, whatever you like. Just shallots are more pungent in flavor, so you want to use less shallot than white onion. You're also going to see a drained juice into the saucepan from an 8-ounce can of minced clams, which you don't add till near the end because you don't want them to get tough. You'll also see a tablespoon of minced garlic, which was dried first, and I soaked it in some water, which is in the recipe. And also I added partially cooked, small, cut in chunks, white potato, because as the potatoes cook in the chowder, you'll see that they will add a little thickening, which you do add some cornstarch in warm water. Be careful not cold into hot, then you'll get lumps. But you want to stir that first and stir that in because I like a thicker chowder. And the natural potato starch and a little less cornstarch will make a nice thick, creamy chowder without having a lot of fat because you're going to use milk, not heavy cream. So you'll see that and watch, and you'll see this is really good. It's good this time of year. The time I'm showing you this is winter time. And I am from New England. I do miss homemade chowder. I buy it in a can. It's pretty good. It's same brands I bought up north, but we do make our own in this video. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.